Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got another Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless tool here, and today it is the 1 Plus Cultivator, and it's a model P2705. Alright, so just pulled this thing out of the box, and looks like a few pieces just need some quick assembly. The handle here looks like it's folded for shipping, obviously, to get it in this box. And then the grab handle, and then the 4 cultivator discs. So it looks like that's pretty simple. It just has some pins here to remove, and then probably pop the discs on. There's probably some orientation that those have to go on there. So take a quick look at the directions and see how this thing goes together, and then I will stick a battery in it and fire it up for you. All right, like I said, some quick assembly here, so let's see what we got. Let's see if I can kind of wind this up a little bit. This is okay. Inner right, if you want to call it that. All right, and that matches up with A, so well, let's try it another way. Let's get C on here on the other side. Okay, that's working. And then we have D, which mates to it. Okay, finally that worked. There we go. All right, so there is a really specific orientation here. And then of course you got to find put the pins on there. Just be really careful, guys, because these are sharp. Okay, gonna load this baby up with a battery. There you go. That was the assembly. It is a little bit of a pain to get those blades on there because there is a specific orientation. But all in all, looks like it's going to work well. You know, it's got some decent sized blades and they are sharp. All right, let's do a little demo on this machine. All right, seems pretty good.